So, good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about one of the medicinal plant that is aloe vera. In Telugu, it is called kalabanda. In Telugu, it is called what? Kalabanda. Usually, it grows in desert area, but it is also grown in front of houses. That is mainly in corridor, along with tulasi, along with tulasi. It will also grown. So it is considered as one of the medicinal plant. So now that is the reason mainly we grown in our surroundings. So now let us discuss about details of this plant, this medicinal plant, and and it is generally it is called gigwar. So when you go to the local name is called Chinna Kalabanda, and the English name is Indian aloe Barbados aloe. Botanical name means scientific name Aloe barbadensis Mill. So now let us go to that botanical description of this plant. So aloe vera, it is a succulent plant. Aloe vera, it is a succulent plant, and that probably originated in North Africa. So it is main first of all it originated in where means North Africa. North Africa. It is stemless, means does not have any stems like structure. Very short stemmed, perennial succulent. Perennial. Perennial means many years. Many years succulent. Succulent means which is smooth, soft and swollen. Succulent means smooth, soft and swollen. So this plant is grows up to 60 to 100 centimeters. 60 to 100 centimeters tall. Its leaves are sessile, means leaves does not have any petiole, means stalk like structure to attach. So all the leaves are crowded, lanceolate, erect spreading and spiny toothed at the margin. These flowers are whatever flowers developed by the aloe vera, they are generally bisexual and reddish yellow. So now let us discuss about what are the medicinal properties of what are the medicinal properties, why we should grow in our surrounding. So because of this plant have many medicinal uses. So therapeutic uses means here what? Medicinal uses. So therapeutic uses means medicinal uses. Let us go to that medicinal uses. So the first point is the sweet pulp of the plant. When you take 50 to 100 grams is given to women orally 2 times for 15 days for birth control. So whenever we use the pulp of the plant to the those who want to control the birth, means not willing to give birth, those women they take orally, so automatically birth control bill will be stopped. So next go to that another medicinal uses, plant juices with black pepper. Plant juices with black pepper black pepper means miriyalu in Telugu. So plant juice with black pepper is given to 2 times orally for the cure of asthma. So those who are having breathing problem, mainly elders, asthma patients, when they take along with this juice, aloe vera juice and black pepper, uh, they can reduce the asthma. They can reduce the asthma. So next go to the another medicinal uses. Leaf juice. So leaf juice is mixed with Vaseline or cream is applied to the black patches until it cures. So wherever on our in our skin, and if the black patches are formed, when we apply this leaf juice, generally those patches will be removed. Next, another important medicinal property, fresh juice of leaves is cathartic and refrigerant, used in liver spleen ailments for eye troubles. So here, when you take the fresh leaves juice, so generally we can reduce the liver and spleen, and regarding to the liver and spleen diseases, and if we even eye troubles also we can reduce by using. So next to go to that, leaf juice is also useful in x-rays, burns, dermatitis and cutaneous, and leishmaniasis and other skin disorders. So mainly, whenever our skin is spoiled, means ruptured due to exposing of x-rays, and when the skin disease are occurred, dermatitis means skin diseases. Dermatitis means what? Skin diseases. And cutaneous also, leishmaniasis is one of the another um, worm diseases, and it is also cured when we apply the aloe vera. Next, skin disorders, whatever the skin disorders are up. So next, go to that, another important one, aloe juice is a natural blood purifier, is help to diabetes, weight loss, cardiovascular diseases and skin diseases, arthritis and cancer. So mainly the main uses of aloe is blood purifier. Means this when we take this juice, aloe juice, impurities will be removed from the blood. And also when take the leaf juice, diabetes patients, means sugar level will be decreases in those body, sugar level is increased, sugar level will be decreases. Next, weight loss. So weight loss also we can see that when we use leaf juice of the aloe. So cardiovascular diseases, so cardiovascular diseases means heart. So whatever cholesterol is there excessive in our body, it the aloe juice will be removed. Skin diseases, so skin diseases also reduced. Arthritis and joint pains, cancer also reduced when we use aloe. So these are the main important characteristic features of the aloe in medicinal use.